What is up, Midway Mayhem fans? This is Dan, and we are checking back in from SeaWorld Orlando for another Pipeline the Surf Coaster construction update. And good news, cranes are in the air right over there. So that means track and supports are going up. As I was driving in, I saw some new pieces of track. Parking was a breeze. Same with security. It's so good to see more track going up right now. And front entrance as of right now, not much of wait. You should be able to get right in. Yep, just as I expected. No wait really to get through the front entrance, it looks like. Pipeline, looking good. And segment of track right there after the inversion going up. So it'll do a bank, turn, come back around over by Bayside, do another turn, and then go back down towards the ground. And over here at the turnaround, it appears some crew members are installing more of those brackets for the netting. Well, it looks like they are indeed working on the launch. Yep, like usual, right on through. It's kind of warm, somewhere around 83 degrees. In the mornings though, somewhere in the 60s, like low 60s. I know when I've been doing my tower climbs, wear a hoodie, but later in the day, it's cooking. Christmas stuff, still up, obviously. Looks good. A lot of the holiday crowds have left, at least for a couple weeks. We got Christmas coming up and whatnot, but Thanksgiving is over, and a lot less crowds compared to what we saw in our other updates. Split Point Bridge or Sky Tower? Well, Sky Tower is open right now, so I'm gonna head over that way. Something a little different, the stage that's over here for whatever reason, well, now it has some Christmas trees. Sky Tower, see, I wasn't lying to you, it's open. We're gonna get some awesome views. And yes, that blue work wall, still there. Yeah, I already know it's gonna be a good day. We got our construction ducks. Look at all of them.
That might be the icebreaker. No, the green one was the icebreaker. The green one is...
Other people.
Tyler's down. And some of la gente viene y viaja.
Told you I should have. I know. Crazy.
Ahí está Epcot y allá está, al lado está Animal Kingdom.
Unfortunately, the fountain is still out. Shark Wreck Reef, home to the shark encounter, and that's where we are headed because guess what? They have a new species of shark in there, a hammerhead. Yeah, that's right. Let's go check it out. And here we go. It's tunnel time. Let's find that hammerhead. So far, I'm not seeing it. I know it's here. There it is. Look at that. Hammerhead, now here at SeaWorld. Mako! Currently showing a 5-minute wait, only running one train. Not very busy though. This is new. We now have A-frame signs telling guests to vote in USA Today's 10 Best Reader Choice Awards, and this one is for America's Best Theme Park Holiday Event, Christmas Celebration. Infinity Falls, currently in operation. Boat going down, getting ready for a big splash. Woo! Wait time, right now 15 minutes, not bad. Of course work walls are still up around this thing. How silly am I to think that they would be down? Yeah, no change. Unfortunately, there will be no Christmas celebration today. Park closes at 7 p.m., so the barricades are up over here. So that means no ice skating over at Bayside Stadium, where we can get awesome views of Pipeline. It's all right, we'll do it another time. Icebreaker, unfortunately not in operation right now. It will be later, I'm sure. After making a full circle around the park, it's bridge time. We'll get some awesome views from here. See, what did I tell you? Icebreaker, back in operation. Doesn't take too long. Not sure if you guys noticed from some of our other views, but the station is really going up quick. Flamecraft, and this planter is still one of the weirdest things I've seen them do in quite a while here at SeaWorld. Awesome views from the ground of that thing. Let's get up in the air though and check it out from the drone, shall we? Yep, that's right. It's pink chicken time. Hi, pink chickens. Duh, we got the babies out. Number 23 right there, 24 right there. We showed them to you in the previous update. Sprinkles and Sunday. Well, guys, that's going to do it for another video here from SeaWorld Orlando for Pipeline the Surf Coaster. Good to see crews putting more track and supports in place for the layout. I'm expecting over the next couple days, they're going to be working on those high-speed turns quite a bit. We got Manta doing a flyby right here. And, of course, we are going to have plenty more updates for Pipeline. So if you like what we do, follow us on Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, Twitter, Midway Mayhem. And we will see you out on the Midway, guys. Bye!